pizza. I'm really hungry. Alhamdulillah, I'm not hungry now.
What? Muhammad, where's my pizza?
It's over there.
You did eat all of it.
I left half of it.
Half? Have you ever heard about fractions?
Hello guys, are you feeling good? I hope so. This lesson is about fractions, and the objective today is to understand the fractions. What is a fraction? Actually, fraction is a way to express parts of whole. For example, if I want to express this shaded part, how can I do? I can do that using fractions. A fraction is written as two numbers. The number above, we call it numerator, and numerator is the number of chosen parts, number of taken parts, number of shaded parts. And the number down, we call it denominator, the number of total parts. So in this figure, we have one part is shaded out of 4 equal parts. So we have 1/4, 1/4. By this way, I can represent the shaded part, the fraction. As you might notice, I mentioned the word equal. The word equal is very important. How? Does this shape represent half? Of course not. That's why, because as you can see, we have two parts not equal. So this shaded part does not represent half. We have 3 kinds of fractions. We have proper fractions and the improper fractions and the mixed numbers. Proper fraction, real fraction. This is represent part of whole. Numerator less than denominator. Example, 2/3, 4/9, 5/11, and so. And for example, 2/3 means 2 parts out of 3 equal parts. Second kind, improper fraction. In improper fractions, we have numerator greater than or equal to denominator. For example, we can say 5/5, which is 1 whole, is an improper fraction. Also 7/4, here we have 7 is greater than 4. So this is an improper fraction as well. What does 7/4 mean? We said before, 2/3 means 2 parts out of 3 equal parts. So how come 7 parts out of 4 equal parts? Actually, in this case, the meaning is different. How? 7 out of 4 or 7/4 has different meaning. It means we have 7 parts, 7 fractions. Each is 1/4. Each is 1/4. As you can see here, if you count number of quarters, you would find 7 quarters. Each whole one, cut it into 4 equal parts. So denominator is 4. Do we have another way to represent this shape? Of course, yes. The third kind, mixed number. In mixed number, you can find whole number and proper fraction. So we name it mixed because we have both. We have whole number and the fraction. So we can say 7/4 can be represented as 1 whole and the 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. And we name this form a mixed number. How can I convert the mixed number into an improper fraction and the improper fraction into a mixed number? Starting with converting mixed number into an improper fraction. For example, if you have 2 and the 5/7, as you can see, 2 is a whole number and the 5/7 is proper fraction. So we can say 2 and the 5/7 mixed number. How can I write this form into an improper fraction? To write it as a fraction, we have the same denominator, 7. So first put 7. Then ask yourself, what is the numerator? To get numerator, you would multiply the whole number by denominator, then add numerator. Let us try this. 2 times 7 equals 14, plus 5 equals 19. So we can write the mixed number 2 and the 5/7 as improper fraction, which is 19/7. So how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number? The best way is to use long division. We have, for example, 19 over 7. We want to write as a mixed number. 19 is a dividend and 7 is divisor. 19 divided by 7 means how many 7s fit into 19? We have 2 7s. So put 2 as quotient. Now multiply 2 times 7 equals 14. Subtract, we have 5. Using WDN. W is a whole number, D is denominator, and the N is numerator. So we have whole number 2, denominator is 7, and numerator is 5. So we can rewrite the improper fraction 19 over 7 as a mixed number 2 and 5 over 7. I wish you understand the lesson. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe the channel. See you.